Alright, now in one of my previous videos, we discussed about how powerful Samsung My Files application is and what are the cool features they offer. If you missed that video, go ahead and check out this channel. It's a detailed video about what your My Files application can do. Now in today's video, we are going to check out the latest My Files applications on One UI 9, which brings in some changes and new features compared to the previous version on One UI 8.5. Now, as you can see here, this is One UI 9 on the right and One UI 8.5 on the left-hand side. Let me first show you the version number of these applications. You can see the latest version is 15.6.00.53 and the previous version is 15.4.08.3. Now, let's go ahead and open the application and instantly you will notice a big change here on the home screen layout. On One UI 9, we now have 2x3 grid and these are right on the top here. Whereas here on the current version on One UI 8.5, we have got these icons on the top and then we have got this ugly looking background with recent files and downloads. And the internal storage also has got this background here and this actually looks half-baked. Whereas here on One UI 9, on the latest version of My Files, it is much more cleaner and much more organized, I would say. And when I scroll further down, you can see we have got internal storage, storage share, Google Drive, OneDrive, and network storage all under storage section. And then comes utilities, manage storage and recycle bin. Whereas here the utilities are on top, manage storage and recycle bin. And then comes the external storage options here. And it makes sense to have the external storage and other options right on top. And then at the end, the recycle bin and manage storage options. So Samsung has refined this home screen layout on the latest One UI 9's My Files application. Now let's talk about a very cool feature which Samsung has added. Let's go to the settings here on both the phones, and under advanced settings you can see we just have select text in images, whereas here we have got two cool new options: open PDFs and text files in application itself and show file summaries. Now this is pretty cool. This is going to give you AI powered summaries of PDF and text files right below each file name. Let's check this feature out. Let me open documents here and you can see right below the document, each document name, we have got the summary of that. You can see this says tax invoice for project the Imperial address, and here we have a digital arrival card for travel to Thailand. And we have got more summaries here. You can see real estate plot details and payment schedule for Akshara Valley address. A luxury villa development in Chandapura Anekal offering private living space. So likewise, we have got that summary right here. Let me just turn on the light mode here. Let's see how it looks. And you can see the background is grayed out for this summary right over here. Now that is a brand new feature now available on the settings menu on the latest My Files application. Next, we have got this new feature, open PDFs and text files in application itself. Let me show you how this works. Let me disable this. Now here, if I try to open a document, it will throw all these options like Samsung PDF Reader, Google Drive, Files by Google, all these options, and then we will have to select a specific option to open that particular document. Now instead, what you can do is you can go to the settings and enable this open PDFs and text files in the application. When you enable it, when you tap on the document, it will directly open the document within the application, within My Files. You don't have to select a specific application. That's how it works. Next, let's go to downloads here. I'll go to downloads here on the latest version. Now here you can notice there is a file view option, which is not available on the One UI 8.5. When I tap on file view, you will get two options, folder view or file view. I can select folder view to get all the folders right here. And if I want file view, I can select file view, which is not the case here. I'll have to tap on the three dot button. You will also see view options here, but we only get these three options on the previous version, and we have the same options here as well. But when it comes to file view, this is available only on One UI 9's My Files application. Let me show you the next change. When I tap on the search button here, the search bar says, what are you looking for? And then we have mic and three dots here. It says search, mic and three dot button. And this text is in gradient colors, which look beautiful. This is something which is implemented by Samsung across the system now on One UI 9, whereas on One UI 8.5, these color elements are missing in some areas. That's another change that we have. And you will also notice while searching, right here we get search inside files toggle. This can be enabled on the settings menu here, whereas here, while searching itself, you get this toggle. Next, I have selected the same files over here on the current version of My Files and on the previous version. Let me tap on three dot button and here let me tap on details. You can see the details is stretching to the entire page, and we have got the summary of that particular file here, and we also have these tags option right over here. Whereas on the previous version, we just have the size, last modified information, path and source application. We have got the same right here on the top, and then comes the summary of the file, and we have got some tags over here. We can't really add tags here, but this gives you a glimpse of what is there, what is this particular document is all about. And it says this text was generated using AI. Now this is something brand new here on the all new MyFiles application. Now these are some of the changes and new features on the brand new version of MyFiles application. I will leave a link for this particular version of MyFiles application. Maybe you can try it out on your phone on One UI 8.5. I'm not sure whether that's going to work or not because I have not tried it yet on my S25 Ultra. You can go ahead and try it out and let me know whether it's working for you guys or not. That's all I have here. Hope you have already downloaded our wallpaper application Wallverse. I will be adding more wallpapers very soon, so stay tuned and be sure to subscribe to the channel. Hit that like button if you find this video informative. Thanks for watching. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.